Finland, a country where nature and technology exist side by side, a land of endless forests, thousands of crystal-clear lakes, snow-covered landscapes, the magical northern lights, and one of the highest standards of living in the world. Yet beyond its peaceful beauty, Finland has quietly become one of Europe's most attractive destinations for skilled foreign workers. When people think about working abroad, they immediately think of Canada, Australia, Germany, the United Kingdom, or the Gulf countries. But Finland? Many people rarely consider it, and that raises an important question. Could one of the world's happiest countries offer opportunities that millions of people are completely overlooking? Because sometimes the greatest opportunities are found in places where preparation matters more than popularity. But before you get excited, there is something extremely important you need to understand. The Finland you see in travel videos and the Finland you experience as a foreign worker can be two completely different realities. The internet shows beautiful forests, frozen lakes, modern cities, peaceful streets, the northern lights, and one of the best education systems in the world. But it rarely shows the realities of finding a job, employer expectations, the cost of housing, the challenges of adapting to a new language, and the reality of building a future in one of Europe's most unique countries. Because migration is not tourism, and living in Finland is completely different from visiting it. So today, we are going to uncover the complete reality of Finland Work Visa 2026, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, work visa process, PR pathway, work culture, lifestyle reality, hidden challenges, and the psychological reality of building a successful future in one of Northern Europe's most respected countries. Because for some people, Finland could become the opportunity of a lifetime, but for others, it could become a reality far more demanding than they ever expected. Now first, understand one important thing. Finland has one of Europe's most advanced and innovation-driven economies. Its economy is powered by information technology, telecommunications, manufacturing, engineering, forestry, renewable energy, healthcare, education, artificial intelligence, logistics, construction, biotechnology, gaming industry, scientific research, clean technology, and honestly, Finland continues to attract skilled professionals from around the world to fill labor shortages in several industries. Now let's talk about the capital, Helsinki, the political, economic, financial, and technological center of Finland, a modern city known for innovation, startups, universities, research institutions, international companies, and a high quality of life. But here's the important truth. Living in one of the world's happiest countries does not automatically guarantee happiness, because migration is not changing countries. It is about employment, financial stability, adaptation, legal status, emotional resilience, and long-term planning. Now let's talk about jobs. This is where reality becomes important. Finland regularly recruits workers in healthcare, nursing, elderly care, information technology, software development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, engineering, manufacturing, construction, electrical work, plumbing, logistics, warehousing, transportation, hospitality, hotels, restaurants, education, scientific research. However, opportunity does not automatically mean employment. Employers still expect professional qualifications, relevant work experience, strong communication skills, professional behavior, reliability, and in many occupations, knowledge of Finnish or Swedish can provide a significant advantage. Preparation before arrival is one of the biggest keys to long-term success. Now let's discuss salaries. Finland offers competitive salaries and excellent employee protections. Depending on profession and experience, workers may earn approximately 2,800 euros to 7,500 euros plus per month. Highly qualified professionals working in healthcare, technology, engineering, finance, research, and executive management may earn considerably higher salaries. But salary alone never tells the complete story, because now comes another important reality: cost of living, housing, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, daily expenses. Everything requires careful budgeting. Major cities like Helsinki are more expensive than smaller towns. A good salary does not automatically guarantee financial success. Smart financial planning remains essential. Now let's talk about work culture. Respect matters, punctuality matters, equality matters, professionalism matters, honesty matters. Finnish workplaces are known for trust, efficiency, innovation, independent thinking, and a healthy work-life balance. Employees are encouraged to solve problems independently, take responsibility, and continuously improve their skills. Building trust with colleagues often opens the door to long-term career growth. Now let's talk about visas. Most non-European workers require an employer-sponsored work permit before legally working in Finland. The process generally includes receiving a genuine job offer, employer sponsorship where applicable, meeting legal eligibility requirements, submitting required documents, and residence permit approval. Preparation matters, research matters, contract understanding matters, and verifying every employer before accepting an offer is extremely important. Now let's discuss something social media rarely shows: the emotional reality. Because this is the side many migration videos completely ignore. Imagine moving to a country where almost everything feels different: a different language, different workplace expectations, different food, different climate, different social customs. At first, everything feels exciting, but after several weeks, reality begins. Homesickness, loneliness, stress, pressure, long winters, limited daylight, missing your family, trying to build a completely new life. These emotions are common among migrants across the world, and honestly, there is nothing unusual about experiencing them. Success abroad is rarely immediate. It is built over time through patience, discipline, learning, and resilience. Now here's another uncomfortable truth. Many people believe moving to Europe automatically guarantees success. It doesn't. A visa simply creates an opportunity. Success depends on how you use that opportunity. Because success abroad depends on adaptability, discipline, continuous learning, financial planning, emotional strength, professional development, and long-term commitment. Now here's one of the biggest mistakes people make. They compare countries through travel videos, Instagram, TikTok, tourism advertisements, success stories, but they ignore everyday reality. Migration is not entertainment. Real migration means sacrifice, hard work, paperwork, uncertainty, adaptation, continuous improvement, personal growth. The people who succeed are usually not the luckiest. They are the ones who continue moving forward when life becomes difficult. Now let's answer the biggest question: is Finland the right destination for everyone? The answer is no. Finland is not for people expecting instant success. It is not for unrealistic migration fantasies, and it is not for people who believe moving to Europe automatically solves every problem. But Finland can become an outstanding destination for professionals who possess valuable skills, a strong work ethic, realistic expectations, and the willingness to continuously improve themselves. For the right person, Finland offers excellent career opportunities, international work experience, outstanding public services, a safe society, a clean environment, a healthy work-life balance, and the possibility of building a stable future while following the country's legal immigration pathways. Because at the end of the day, migration is never simply about crossing a border. It is about creating a better future through preparation, discipline, persistence, and smart decisions. Finland may be famous for its forests, its lakes, its northern lights, and its extraordinary quality of life, But for many skilled professionals, it also represents a place where knowledge, determination, and patience can become the foundation of long-term success. And sometimes, the opportunity that changes your life exists in a country where the world sees only peaceful landscapes, but those who prepare properly see something much greater, a future built on opportunity, stability, and lasting success. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.